I just want to go. No, Peppa, you cannot go to school. Wait. Mr. Softy. It's Mr. Softy. New music. Peppa, I don't think that's Mr. Softy's new music. I don't think so. What do you mean? He gets music every day. No, I think that's broken. We're gonna have to go check it out. Why will my ice cream truck just act all dumb and brain? Yeah. Yay, Mr. Softy! S-O-F-T-double-E, Mr. Softy. Peppa, I really don't think we should. Hello, guys. Hello, Mr. Softy. Hello. Are you selling ice cream today? No, I'm not selling any ice cream. I like your new music. Guys, it's not new. My ice cream truck's broken. Dang. Oh. Okay, so would you please help me fix it? Okay, more. They kept shaping it more and more. Bang. It still didn't work. Ugh, that hurt. Wait to see if they fix it in the next video. Okay guys, thank you for watching this, and do you think that the ice cream truck will get fixed or more worse? If you think they're gonna fix it in the next video, please leave down in the comments. I think that they will do it. Thank you and see ya.